Welcome back to Just Kiwi's DIYs. I am back with another short video for you guys, and we're doing picture frame decor. This is only going to take you 5 minutes to do. I promise, only 5 minutes to do. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bells if you want to continue to watch good videos. Alright, you're going to start by taking the backs off your picture frames. Only thing you're going to need for this DIY is just the frame itself. Now you're going to end up taking these, I don't even know what they're called. You're going to end up taking those off. I end up having some wire cutters try to pull them out, but I end up figuring out that I could just take it out with my hands. So just pull them out with your hands. Okay, that is one down, 8 more to go, y'all. You're going to arrange your frames in a design. I'll pop up a picture of what it will look like. And that's how it will look once it's all glued down. I took some heavy duty glue, E6000, to glue my picture frames down. I was going to do some glue sticks, but I decided that this one is going to be the best bet to make it last a little longer. Now you are going to let this sit for 24 hours, but the good side of this is that it ain't going nowhere once it's glued. Top it off, you can leave your frames like this because it is gold, but I wanted mine to be silver, so I spray painted mine. And here they are, the picture frames. I was indecisive of which way I wanted them. So let me know, should I do it vertical or should I do them horizontal? I have them both ways. I don't know which way to do it. I ended up choosing this way. I think it looks so much better this way than vertical. But you know what, guys, I really appreciate you guys just tuning in. Let me know if you try this craft at home. It's so easy. And remember, if you don't want to buy it, just DIY it.